guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something incredibly exciting to share with you all. Do you want to know how to get a whopping 80% off at NordVPN? Well, you're in luck because I've discovered the best coupon codes at Saving Says. Stick around because this is a game changer for all the buyers, discount seekers, and purchasers out there. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Before we get into the juicy details of getting that amazing discount, let's quickly talk about why NordVPN is absolutely essential. In today's digital age, cyber threats are becoming more and more rampant. Whether you're browsing, shopping, or streaming, your online activities are constantly being monitored. But with NordVPN, you can safeguard your privacy and protect yourself from prying eyes. It's like having your very own virtual bodyguard. Now, let's talk about Saving Says. It's an incredible website that offers the best coupon codes and deals for various online platforms, including NordVPN. Whether you're looking for discounts on tech gadgets, fashion, or even travel, Saving Says has got you covered. It's like your ultimate money-saving companion in the digital world. Alright, let's get down to business. I know you're itching to find out how to score that 80% off at NordVPN. It's super simple, guys. Just head over to the Saving Says website and search for NordVPN. You'll find a list of amazing coupon codes and deals that will blow your mind. From free trials to jaw-dropping discounts, it's all there. Found the perfect coupon code for your NordVPN purchase? Awesome! Now it's time to apply it and watch the magic happen. Simply copy the code from Saving Says and head over to the NordVPN website. During the checkout process, paste the code into the designated box and voila! Watch as the total price magically shrinks before your very eyes.